Congratulations on the purchase of your Voyager water-fed system. This quick start video will help you set up your system and start cleaning windows. Step 1. Install the 1/4 inch clear bypass tubing into the 1/4 fitting in the RO membranes. This is a T connection. Insert one side of the T into each 1/4 port of each RO membrane. Make sure to push the tubing all the way into the opening until it stops. Step 2. Open valve on bypass hose fully. Step 3. Connect input spider to the 3 open male brass fittings. Do not over-tighten. Step 4. Connect output spider to the 3 open male brass fittings. Do not over-tighten. Step 5. Attach shutoff valve to the DI filter. Step 6. Attach pole tubing to quick connect shutoff and turn to open position. Step 7. Attach source hose to water source and the other end to the carbon/sediment filter. Step 8. Turn on water. Step 9. Elevate the outlet side of the unit so the bypass is facing upward until air has been purged from the RO housing through the bypass line. Step 10. Once the air has been purged out of the filter, close the bypass valve partially to begin producing pure water. Do not close off flow through the bypass line while using the system. Some bypass water should always be flowing out. Step 11. Start cleaning windows. If you follow the steps in this guide, you'll get great results from your system. Shutdown procedure. If using a pump, shut off the pump before turning off supply water. Close the shutoff valve to the pole. Open bypass valve to fully open position, and flush out the system for 3 to 5 minutes. Turn supply water off. Disconnect the water line and tip system on end if draining is desired.